Hi, I'm Dave Bamdas from RIVA Racing. Today I'm going to walk you through our modified 2018 RXT 300. This machine in its stock form has a 300 horsepower engine. We've modified it to 350 horsepower with a whole bunch of performance and handling goodies. The steering system's been upgraded with our billet steering system. It's fully integrated into the hull. It has 32-inch RIVA bars, billet switch housings which replace the OEM switch housings, billet throttle triggers, and ODI grips. Moving down to the engine compartment, we have our 350 horsepower engine package, which includes our RIVA air intake system, reflashed OEM ECU, which has been reflashed with a MaptunerX system, billet fuel rail, VT 1100 fuel injectors, our RIVA Wilson billet intake manifold, upgraded RIVA intercooler, RIVA intercooler tubing kits, RIVA blow-off valve. We have our RIVA sponsons, which make the machine turn on the dime, our RIVA billet trim tabs, and our RIVA intake rig. Overall, this package is absolutely fantastic on the water, has an incredible top speed of 85 miles per hour. All of these performance parts will be available in January of 2018 for the new Seadoo RXT 300. Please check rivaracing.com for more details.